Welcome to OpenMentor.net. In this session, we are going to talk about how we can manage the test plans and requirements. If you see in this one, this is the inventory module in the test plan tab, in which there's a GRN test business scenario. But somehow they have added the login test case underneath this one. Ideally, this should not be here. This should be under user management. Even the edit masters and edit admin should go to that. So if I want to move a particular test case from here, first I need to do select that, copy that, move to the respective place where you want to copy that or paste it over here. So the test case has been copied from that place to this place. But if I go back to inventory and then GRN test, this still exists because once you copy, it generates a new test case and you need to remove it from here by deleting it, because sometimes you may unfortunately add it at a different place without knowing it. Same way, the admin also should move to that particular place, copy, go back to that user manager, then paste it. This way, since this has been set as auto-generate test case IDs, you are seeing all the test case IDs are coming new. If you set it as manually generated, this test case would have been moved to that particular place. So I remove this also from this folder. This is not required. Delete it. So this way you can move it. This is one easy management of test cases across different business folders. Now what I want to do is generating a GRN. These two test cases belong to a particular requirement. I need to trace requirements and test cases. To do that, it is very simple. All I need to do is select this thing, click on this traceability. If you do that, on the left hand side you see all the test cases. So this is one test case, so I select this test case. Then I say the reference for that is the requirements. It shows the requirements. Once you say requirements is my reference type, it shows all the requirements. Now I say this particular test case belongs to this particular requirement. Then say add. So now you see underneath this test case, this requirement appears. Same way, this test case also belonging to this particular requirement. So add that. And if you go here, this login TC10 login belongs to this user 001 requirement. Add that. Same way, if you want to have this home page also, you can have multiple test cases mapping to a particular requirement. It may be one-to-one or one-to-many or many-to-many relationships. So once you do that, since we have done this one, if you go back to the requirements, let us go back to the requirements table. Then let us take this user registration. This is a login page. Now click on this traceability. On the left hand side, requirements will appear. If you go from test case window, left hand side will be test cases, right hand side will be requirements. If you go to the requirements window, left hand side will show the requirements. Now you see this is the requirement, these two are the test cases. This is the requirement, this is the test case. The way this helps the testers is, this is called a bidirectional requirements traceability. You can trace the test cases from requirements, or you can go to the test plan and then trace the requirements for those test cases. So QA Monitor helps you to move test cases across the folders. It also helps you to maintain requirements traceability. With that, we end this session. Thank you.